Tolentino, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, day 3 natin, session road lang tayo. Pero ang first stop natin is yung Victoria Bakery. Yan.
Thank you po.
Walang matcha.
Paantay na lang.
Guys, ang next stop namin after ng Victoria's Bakery is Donhen. So, nostalgic siya and classic sa Baguio. Hindi lang namin alam kung ganun pa rin yung quality, no? Pero try natin yan. Yan guys, tapos na yung 3 days 2 nights natin. Nag-explore tayo ng Baguio pero mostly food trip. So if nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next adventure.